This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volkswagen Tiguan oil change light. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle's ignition is fully off. You'll need to locate the 0.0 or set button on your instrument cluster, which is usually near the odometer. This quick procedure is straightforward and can typically be completed in under 1 minute, helping you keep track of your service schedule. To begin the reset, press and firmly hold down the 0.0 or set button on your dashboard. While continuously holding this button, turn your ignition key to the on position. It's important not to start the engine, just activate the electrical system. Keep the button pressed as the dashboard lights illuminate, preparing for the next step of the reset sequence. Continue holding the 0.0 or set button for approximately 10 seconds. You should observe the oil change or service light either blinking or resetting to dashes, indicating the reset is in progress. Once this occurs, release the button. Immediately after releasing, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. This action is crucial to save the newly reset service interval into your Tiguan system. Now, start your Volkswagen Tiguan's engine to confirm that the oil service light has successfully turned off. If the light persists, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning, ensuring each step is followed precisely. For models with a digital instrument panel, you might need to navigate through the vehicle's menu using your steering wheel controls to find the service reset option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.